Welcome to my channel. So today, I say the same thing every single intro, but today I'm going to be redoing some of my dining room. Super thrilled about this because I have had stuff laying around forever and ever and ever and ever that I bought from all these Hobby Lobby sales, and now it is finally time to decorate with everything. So without further ado, I don't need to do intro because that's what I'm doing, and I'm super excited to see what you guys think. So gonna get started. So the first thing I did was I took everything down that I already had on here. I do a lot of like my videos on here as well, so this was a huge, giant mess to begin with. I really needed to dust here as well, so this was like wonderful timing. This little thing I took off the wall, I have had it there since I moved in, I think the first year. So it was like one of those things like, oh, this is like the first piece I bought when I lived here. I don't know, it was like really sentimental, so I never wanted to take it down. But I got this shelf from Hobby Lobby for $25, and I have had it sitting around for a while, and I really wanted to put it up, so I did. A lot of these items I made or I already had, or I bought a couple at Walmart and Hobby Lobby, and I will eventually let you guys know where everything is from. So if you do want to purchase it or make it or something like that, I'll let you know in a little while. I'm standing in the corner. I think decorating is one thing that really, really relaxes me. I don't know if it does it to you guys, but it's just one of those things. I feel so happy doing it, and I'm so happy when it's done. Although sometimes there's like a huge giant mess behind you, but I don't know, this is just something that I absolutely love doing. Summer has kind of been hard just because the girls love fighting, so when I can actually do something that I really, really like doing by myself, it was a really good day to do this. And you guys, I just went to Hobby Lobby and got more clearance items. That is the best time to go to Hobby Lobby, is when they have everything 75 and 80% off. You can get so much for such a little price. So the things up here, I made the cow frame and that grass vase, and then the mirror vase I got from TJ Maxx, and then pretty much everything else came from Hobby Lobby. That cotton ball I actually made with cotton stems that were from the Dollar Tree. The pig house I made, and then that little galvanized frame that also came from the Dollar Tree, and then everything else came from Hobby Lobby. Oh, and the Tabasco basket came from Walmart, and it was only like $2, so I thought that was a really, really good price. I really want some more greenery in here. I don't know, I have this like really huge thing using lots and lots of greenery lately, and that I have used all of it, and it was kind of sad because I really wanted to use it, and I bought a ton and realized I've used it for so many other decorating or DIYs that now I just want to go buy more. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh. But you guys, I really love how this shelf turned out. I am just super happy with it. It was so fun to decorate, and I cannot wait until like Christmas and like the fall time comes around and I can redecorate it. That's what I'm looking forward to. And then now here I am just doing my buffet table. You'll see me moving things around constantly because I was not super happy with anything that I did, and in the end I still don't know if I'm happy with it because I feel like some things were taller than others or some things were too short. So let me know in the comments if I need to get anything else. Like, I love buying things. Granted, I really like using things that I already have at home, but let me know if there's anything that I need to add to this. So I might already have it. So yeah. But you guys, the windmill came from Hobby Lobby, and this was a thing that I really wanted up here. This is why I bought it. It was $15. So like I said, if you guys haven't seen that haul, I'll leave it down below so you can check out that. But that's why I really, really wanted it. And then I realized that it is way bigger than anything else I had, so I didn't really know if it went together like I thought it would. But I am definitely going to leave it there until I figure out what else to do with it. And this tray right here, it came from Tractor Supply, and I'm just putting a crock in it that my grandma gave me, and the Farmhouse clock came from Hobby Lobby last year when they had the huge clearance. And then that lantern, I think, also came from Tractor Supply. And then that little cube with the animals and the eucalyptus. The eucalyptus came from Walmart, and the box came from Walmart too, but I did redo that in a video. I will leave that link as well. And then I just added some wooden beads, I made those as well. And then the cotton stems out of the vase, that is from Hobby Lobby. That little tray with the cotton stems is also from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, really almost 90% of all this is from Hobby Lobby, either in the past or the last few hauls I have done where everything is 75 and 80% off. You guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this fun little decorate with me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any more videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!